This just came in the mail,
This is from Tammy.
and it's from Tammy.
Tammy from work.
Oh.
Yeah, she got it to you today, huh?
You're using the key when you have a badass night.
I'm not used to it. Not used to it.
Yeah.
Wait, the post office actually deliver something on time?
I can't believe it.
I'm sorry, I couldn't resist that one.
She's a postal worker.
Says, here's a few things you're gonna need now that you're 40. Laughed my A off. So,
They're Tammy. She's laughing like you.
one of two. All right. Look, she numbered the envelopes just like the packages at work.
Okay. That way, because she wants to make sure you do it right.
Erin, a birthday is like a cat. You wake up one morning and it's right there in your face. Enjoy your day. Happy 40th birthday, Tammy. That's sweet.
That is true.
Oh, you want to see the card?
It's right there in your face.
I missed it.
All right. Two. Good Lord.
Number two, 2 of 200.
She numbered them.
All right. Erin, you're 40. Get out. Unbelievable. There is no way that you're actually 40.
There you go.
You don't look a day over 39. Ha ha ha. Happy birthday, sister, your friend Tammy. That's hilarious. That's hilarious.
What?
The zero made it long enough.
Yep.
She's doing good.
And then, oh my God, look, she done sent me some stool softener, some hemorrhoid cream, a pill thing. I actually needed one of
Hey,
those.
those come in handy.
Hold on, there's more stuff. There's more stuff.
Hey, those come in handy.
She sent me some panty liners
Penny on
for light bladder leakage. Oh, thank you. Gas and bloating prevention.
You'll need that too.
Sticky notes.
You'll need those too.
Forget things.
For memory. You definitely need those.
Pain relieving cream with lidocaine.
Oh, God, yes. That's good
I
stuff.
needed this a while back with my back. Oh Lord, a magnifying glass. And that's it. I got an old lady kit for my birthday from my friend. Thank you, Tammy. And Tara. Thank you, Tammy and Tara.
She got you, didn't she?